Recently, the RGM Project 9600 Xbox line has passed the acceptance inspection perfectly. For the acceptance of this project, the customer also specially brought a team of technical experts with them. We thought the customer's technical experts would be very strict, so our staff has always been in a highly tense state. But we have great confidence in our Xbox wire technology. So during the more than 2 hours of acceptance operation, the customer's technical experts can hardly find any problems. They also stated that Besure's Xbox production line is the most cost-effective device they've ever seen.